Mac HVAC Service and Repair is an excellent commercial HVAC company in Allentown, Pennsylvania that specializes in HVAC replacement, installation and repair services. Our highly skilled technicians are well versed in all aspects of HVAC systems and can keep your facility running efficiently throughout the year. Our company is committed to delivering prompt, dependable and expert commercial HVAC replacement services. Contact our commercial HVAC replacement specialists today to get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC replacement expert near me? You can stop looking. You found Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Is ductwork included with a new HVAC system? Your HVAC system heats and cools your house or bussines using a variety of components such as a furnace, air conditioning components, ducts, and a thermostat for control. What is the optimal HVAC system for a commercial building? A single split system is a type of air conditioning system that comprises one indoor unit and one outdoor unit. The affordability and suitability for small commercial facilities make it the most prevalent type of commercial HVAC systems. What is your service area for the Allentown office? Our commercial HVAC replacement experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Allentown, Brennigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown Town, Zionsville, East Greenville, and Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC replacement office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street, number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-Service.